Hello everyone and welcome to Table Lab 3. In this lab you need two files. You need Table 3 instructions file and Table 3 starting file. I will go ahead and open both files side by side as usual. Looking at the things that you expect to learn in this lab, you will understand data integrity, table relationships, how to use validation rule and text validation. To get started with this lab, you need to open the table 3 starting file and then save it as table 3 as you see here. You can save it under documents, that's fine, or inside any folder where you keep your solutions. So I will go ahead and save it. And then enable content, create a relationship as shown in this screen here. So I will go ahead and create this relationship. I will go to database tools and then click on relationships. I need to add one more table because the relationship is between table product and table orders. So I will go ahead and right click any empty space here and then choose show table, and the table I'm missing is the order table. So I will go ahead and add this table and then click on close. I'm hoping that here you see it. So I have this table here. I need to make sure that I create a relationship between these two tables. So where is the common key? Look, I have product code and product code. Okay, but before we get started, before we create this link, look at product code here. Do you see the yellow key? What is the yellow key? The yellow key that makes this field a primary key. Do you see it? No, it's not there. So let's go ahead and try to build the relationship as we usually do and see what error message will we get. I will put this field on top of the second one and then enable referential integrity, cascade, and cascade delete, cascade update, and then I will click on create. It says no unique key. That's the error message I was telling you about. And then that means that I need to cancel here. Save what I have so I can save my table and then close the relationship. Go to table product, open it, and then go to the design view and make sure that you select the product code and make it a primary key, and then save, and then right click and close all and go back to database tools, click on relationships, and then repeat the same thing again and enforce referential integrity, cascade update, cascade delete, and then click on create. It says relationship must be on the same number of fields and the same data type. So that means that product code has different data types in both these tables. So I will go ahead and save again and close the relationship. Now you are learning how to create a relationship and understand exactly the requirements. I will open table product and table order, and then I will go to the design view. What is the data type for table product? Long text. All right. Now, what is the data type for table products? In here is short text. So which one should I choose? Long text or short text? Look at the data, and looking at the data will give you a clue. Where is the product code? Product code, I have only 3 letters and 3 digits. So I don't need long text, I just need short text. So I will go to here and change that from long text to short text, and that makes more sense. I will go ahead and save and then click yes, and then right click on any table tab and then close all, and then go to database tools, relationships, and then create the relationship again, enforce referential integrity, cascade update, cascade delete, and then click create. It says here I have violation integrity problem. data in the table order violates referential integrity rule. So that means that I need to make sure that the data in table order is pointing to something that I have in table product. So you need to go here and look one by one. BYY, I don't have BYY here, it's BOY. So I will have to go back here to table product and then fix that. Okay, now NHT, do you see NHT 111? Yes. And then out 321, out 321, and then PNT 100, PNT 100, yes, I have it. SHT 365, SHT 365, and then this is not I, this is O, SOT 214, SOT 214. So you look at table order, make sure that the value that you have in table order in the foreign key has a match inside the table product. If you have a match, that's fine. You don't have to have like the same number of rows here and here. You just need to make sure that the data value in this table has a match in table product, but they don't have to be like the same number of rows. So keep that in mind when you understand or when you create your tables. So now I will go ahead and save, close all, and then go to database tools, relationships, try to create the relationship one more time, and then enforce referential integrity, cascade update, and then click on create. Now it is working. Now close the relationship and save your changes. So I will go ahead and save and then close my relationship, open table order. I will go ahead and open table order, and then add validation rule to ensure that the quantity ordered is greater than 0. So you need to add any properties or change the structure or the design of the table, you have to go to the design view. So now you should know better by now. And I need to make sure that the quantity, so I will go to the quantity, and the quantity order is greater than 0. So you will go to input mask greater than 0. Are we good on this one? Actually no, I read this. It is asking you for validation rule, not input mask. So now you need to look here. Do you have any validation rule? Yes. What is the validation rule? Greater than 0. Okay, now what is the validation text? The validation text is please enter an order quantity. So you go here and then go to validation text in the property section, and then put this value, save what you have, and then click on yes, and it's giving you a message telling you that the data that is already there might not comply with this. Do you want the existing data to be tested? Yes, I will click yes. Now it is tested, and then save, and that's what you need to submit. Please go ahead and save and upload the file to Blackboard. Thank you, and I will see you in the future. Bye bye everyone.